Now let's get started. Let's start with Hcltech Q1 FY25 result. Net profit up by 20% at 4257 crore. Revenue also climbed 7%. So that's the result for today, which is 10.46% jump year on year in net profit for the June quarter compared to 3534 crore in the same quarter last year. Today HCL Technology up by 3.30%. So as you see, it started pretty lower, 1515, but gradually it gone up to 1561. That's the highest point of the day, and it closed in the highest point itself. Let's see the result. So that's the revenue, 29,160 crore against the last year 26,640 crore. So there is a hike, and same applicable in the profit, that is 4259 against 3531. So pretty good result. Company declared new deal worth 1.96 billion in Q1, as well as there are 12 rupees per share dividend announced for FY25. That was for HCL. Another result today, Anand Rathi Wealth. Q1 consolidated net profit of 732 million versus 531 million year on year. Revenue also increased to 2.4 billion rupees versus 1.75. So both the ways, it's a good result for Anand Rathi. It should be in your radar. Next stock, Ireda. Yesterday in my video I have discussed about it. So it is hit lifetime high ahead of Q1 result. So there's a question that 25% jump already in 3 days. So it's a good choice for buy or not. According to stock market expert, the market is expecting a robust Q1 result from this PSU company, and the growth is expected to remain healthy at around 25 to 30% CAGR. So it should mean your radar for future growth. And they said that the share price made a strong base in 250, and the PSU stock may touch 350 rupees. So currently, the stock is trading 284, and as the target price is set for 350, it means another 70 rupees up from this level. In this year itself, the stock has run 373%. Let's talk about some order. Again, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Yesterday in my video, we have discussed about the order received from Central Railway. Again, today from the same source, new order has been received. I have prepared another video only for this. Please do watch. And yes, if you are liking my content, go ahead and press the like button, share and put some comment so that I can take the feedback and improve the video content. So this is the order for Central Railway, and the order price is 132 crore. Yesterday it got 138 crore of order. Today it is 132 crore. It is for the same Nagpur division, but section was different. So today this order came for Wardha Balarsa section. So this is also contract period of 24 months, and this stock has already received 5 order in last 5 days. Today the stock remained little subdued, 0.67% down when it's got ended. So I was talking about the recent past order. As you see, on 9th of July, there is an order with Middle East as well as Nagpur Metro contract owned by Rvnl on 9th of July. Again, on 11th of July, the Central Railway 138 crore, that is yesterday, and I have a video for this. And today, another order of 132 crore. Next up, Bharat Electronics. It got a export order worth euro 25.75 million of euro. That is an export order received by BL. Very good news for this stock. In detail, the company said that Bharat Electronics has obtained an export order worth 25.75 million euro, which is around 230 crore from the Thales Reliance Defense System for the manufacture and supply of transmit receive TR modules. This TR module will be used in the radar of fighter aircraft. Additionally, BL secured order value of 192 crore following the last disclosure of 28th of June, which comprise communication equipment, encryptors, spares and service providers, fire control system, etc. With this, BL has an accumulated total around 5,225 crores in the current fiscal year. So friends, BL got a lot of order, lot to deliver. This Navaratna company should be in your radar, in your watch list for sure. This is a stock for BL today, 331, 1.19% down. However, in this year, this stock has given 159.69% return already, 203 rupees up from the year start. Ahluwalia contracts. Yesterday's video I have discussed about this company's contract. Again today another contract came in, that is for civil structural work. It from civil and structural work, the Gurugram, Haryana, right? And the order worth of 581 crore rupees. Time period is 30 months. So back-to-back 2 orders for this company. This company should be in your radar. Next company, AVG Logistic. This company have received rupees 60 crore of order over a period of 5 years. And what is this contract about? It is for long-term contract for express delivery parcel service in partnering with UPSRTC, that is Uttar Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation. Due to this order receipt, today this AVG Logistic trading in the higher 3.91% up. And in this year itself, it returned around 84% value for the investor. Some of the emerging stock, TCS, after yesterday's good result, the earnings surprise prompts major brokerage to up the target price, right? So Jefferies upgraded the TCS stock to buy with a target price of 4615. Currently TCS is trading 4182. So 4182 to 4615, there is around 400 rupees gap, which Jeffrey recommending to buy the stock for that update. News for Adani Port. Adani Port is planned to invest 10,000 crore rupees in Vizhinjam Port, and because of that, the stock edged higher. News for Jio Financial. It's get RBI not to become core investment company, and share is up by 2%. Here is the Jio Financial Service, 350 rupees, so 0.79% up today. Should be in your radar for long term. Now let's take a look at how the major indices performed by end of today's trading session. Today Nifty 50 higher by 186 point, that is around 0.77%, and it ended bit lower but gradually took the momentum and ended in the higher note. Sensex 622 point up, again same percentage 0.78, and similar fact like Nifty ended with very high note. This is FII and DII for you. FII today buy on 4021 crore and DII sell for 1651 crore. So there is a buyer side heavy today. Here are some notable stock movements from today's session. Top gainers and loser, we have Rvnl Corporation 14% up, Sonata Software 13%, Oil India, Good Dividend Company 11%, KPIT Technology 9%. So IT sector done well as well as the railway sector. Top losers, Macrotech Developer 5% down, IOCL 4% down, JBM Auto 4% down, and Aegis Logistic around 4% down today. That's the news for Railtel, which hits 11% high and hit press 52 weeks high, as well as multi-bagger IRFC, Ircon joined the party with new picks, right? So these are the stock actually perform very well today into the market. So Railtel around 14% up, started on the lower side and gradually higher throughout the day. Ircon, same story, up by 5.27%, and this year itself we returned 312% to the investor. In my yesterday's video, whatever stock I have discussed for stock of the day, IREDA, we discussed about the quarterly result. TCS performed very well today in the market. Due to that, Nifty is much higher because it is carrying a lot of weightage. Rail Vikas Nigam, another order, and Raymond, we'll see, Raymond also hit upper circuit today. Here is the Raymond share for you, 5% up, upper circuit. And yesterday's video we have discussed about HPL Electric, that also up by 12.18% due to the large order of 2000 plus crore. So both the stock have done pretty well. If you have seen my yesterday's video, you would have invested on this stock by this time. So today's index, Nifty IT is very high, 4.53% up. Tata Group also 2.99 because of the TCS, and the digital and media index, all of them are in green, and that we have seen all the IT stocks done pretty well. Let's see some of the top gainer with the large volume. Railtel we discussed. Sonata Software 13% up with 9.4 million. Oil India 11% up. KPIT, another IT stock, 9.1% up. Coforge 7.4% up. Gensar 7.2. Rights Limited 6.9. TCS 6.6. And there are other Birlasoft 5.2. So all the IT stock, Emphasis 5.1, they're all up today, almost above 5%. It's a huge gain for investors who are invested into the IT stocks. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.